For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. I finally managed to get one. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time with the introduction too much because I'm kinda hyped to get this open, but I finally got one. A PS5. I'm pretty hyped to get this because it's been a hard few months of working a lot and many hours, so I'm saved up and we managed to get one now from EB Games on the pre-order. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So finally we've actually got one. So let's bring you guys up here to see what's in the box. This is just going to be the unboxing. We'll see how it goes from there. So open the top up and there we go. So what's this? So this is probably all the power cables and things like that. So PS5, a quick start manual. Cool. Don't know if this is the new one or the older one, but oh, it comes with a stand. That's handy. Comes with its own HDMI cable, which is really good. Let's just check out the stand here. So I didn't actually realize they came with a stand. Mine will probably be lying down, but that's good. It came with the console stand for upright. It's actually quite a change from the older consoles. Just check what's over here. So this is the controller. There we go. Very nice, very strong. I'm liking the white actually, looks pretty good. Fits really nice in the hand, it feels very sturdy. And it has Type-C! Woohoo! Finally, let's go, Type-C. So let's just check anything else. The cable for the controller as well, Type-C, which is great to see. Get it? Type-C. Anyways, so let's check out the console. Let's finally get this bad boy out. So pretty heavy, pretty hefty. So we'll see how it goes with one hand. Otherwise, we'll do it with two. Put it on its side here. Almost dropped it. Very heavy. Nothing else in the box there. Let's see this console. Let's go. Finally. Beautiful. It is huge. This guy is a monster. Holy moly. There is my PS5. That is bloody huge. If you guys can see that there, it's massive. What a chunker right there, honestly. Huge. So it comes with the Type-C input, which is great, the on and off button, the faceplates, which you can take off, which is really good. The back exhaust is looking pretty decent. Don't know if it's the newer generation, so with the different aluminium, heatsink, not that it makes much of a difference. I think that's a Kensington. No, it's not. I don't think. So I'm not sure what that is. Ethernet, power at the bottom, and 2 USB ports, which is great. I'm pretty happy. Most disappointing thing about the design of this console is this gloss here, so that's terrible in my opinion. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Looks good. Good console. I'm gonna grab my PS3 for reference and just show you guys how big this guy is. So this is the second generation PS3, so it's not very dusted. And this is how big it is in comparison. It's, the size difference is insane. But I'm pretty happy about it. So that sums up this PS5 unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure you go and like it if you like it. Dislike if you disliked it. Go and check out ystech.org for latest post reviews and much more. I'll see you guys there at ystech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I just had some quick final thoughts on the PS5. So the setup was quite easy to do, and it didn't take too long. Although on my setup I accidentally managed to put on the narrator voice, so it was kind of annoying. But all good, it wasn't that hard to set up. Just put in your account and just download some stuff, and it's all set up. So how's the experience been on the PS5? Now, it's been amazing, to be honest. It depends what games you play, but the games I've played I've really wanted to play for a long time. So for like Ratchet and Clank, A Rift Apart, or even Ghost of Tsushima has been an amazing game. I've played several games, even Miles Morales is really, really good. The PS5 games made for PS5 play really well. Even the Ratchet and Clank PS4 edition or God of War from PS4 perform really nicely on the PS5, same with goes for Red Dead Redemption. Now there have been a few annoyances with the PS5, such as there being literally no eject button on it. I find that actually quite irritating because you have to go to the settings every single time and click on the game and then press eject, which is quite infuriating for me because if I'm going to go up to get the disc out, I might as well have the button there. And another annoying one was the auto turn on with the HDMI. That was a bit of a stupid setting. I have tutorials for both on how to eject a disc and how to turn that auto turn on for PS5 if you guys want to check that out as well. But overall, even streaming to Twitch has been great. The PS5 is more than capable of streaming to Twitch and playing the game at the same time. It's a real powerhouse, and if you guys manage to get one, I definitely say take it if you guys have been wanting to play a game for a very long time. And in comparison to a computer, there's the ups and downs. You might spend more on a PC, but you might get a better time, such as better graphics, maybe some better games, cheaper games, and you might be able to upgrade it in the future. But at the same time, the PS5, very powerful system, I can say that from personal experience, has exclusive titles, has the adaptive triggers on the controller. If that's a little bit of an upside, I'm sure there's some sort of modification that can be done for PC to get that working. But seriously, I think the PS5 and something like a PC shouldn't be compared in this generation, just for value, because, well, the value's kind of skewed on the PC side at the moment, but at the same time, they both have their ups and downs, and it's just up to you to choose which one you like at the end of the day. For me, I like both. I like to play my AAA titles on my PS5 and some exclusives on that. On my PC, I like to play esports titles and play some other types of games, some other AAA titles, and maybe edit and watch videos or whatever else as well. I mean, it's just up to you at the end of the day. But overall, if you guys manage to get one, I highly recommend it, again, if you've been wanting one for a long time. So that about sums up the video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you can check out ystech.org for latest posts, reviews, and much more. I'll see you guys there at ystech.org. Other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.